Hi. What are we making?
We are making very gourmet cake. This is all from scratch. The flour, the sugar, the wheat, the yeast. No, it's from a box. We put the eggs and the oil and the water in.
We as in Maddie did.
Yeah, Maddie did.
She gets to do the fun part.
Oh, do you want to do this?
Oh no. Not left-handed. Super moist devil's food cake.
It's going to be something really spectacular here.
It's a secret. Oh, I'm going to take this bowl off the counter. Look at my arm shaking.
My arm's shaking.
Wow, all the way up here.
Thanks.
Bicep. So yeah, make the cake mix. And you get your pans ready.
Lick the spatula. But don't share it. Even though I don't have COVID. This is the hardest part. Getting it even.
And use canola oil instead of vegetable oil.
Well, I mean, if you have vegetable oil. I usually use butter, but I didn't feel like using up all our butter. If you look on Pinterest, there's a lot of hacks to how to make a box cake mix taste better. It's swap the oil for butter and the water for milk and add an egg.
Cool.
All of which we didn't do. We had me a spatula.
Oh yeah, get every inch. Scrumptious.
Yeah, she is.
There's Kyle with his natural habitat.
Okay. We'll give the rest of the dogs. Just kidding. You don't feed them chocolate all the time.
Put them in the oven. At 350.
For 25 minutes.
This is coming up next.
It needs to be thawed.
So get your Cool Whip and thaw it before your cake's done.
And I threw the Snickers in the freezer because they're easier to chop up. Give us a little tap tap.
Turkey hand.
Yeah, I can feel it, I can feel it.
We're making Snickers cold cake. Bake cake according to package. Cool for 10 minutes. Or watch Married at First Sight while it cools.
For 45.
Pull holes all over cake using a drinking straw. Be careful not to go all the way through to the bottom. So you want me to do this?
Yeah, sure. Don't do like a bajillion. Just like,
A bajillion.
that's like kind of a lot.
What I'm doing is,
Yeah, because it gets kind of soggy.
oops.
Now mix the whipped cream.
In the bowl.
Well, read the instructions.
In a bowl, mix the thawed whipped topping with the remaining caramel topping. Use a spatula to spread it around so it gets into all the holes. Oh, pour 1/2 the caramel topping.
Half a cup, not 1/2. So since we're doing it in 2 parts, we only need a 1/4 cup. So we have to split it in half. You feel?
Oh, a 1/4 cup. That's not very good.
Nope, it's not. It'll be too soggy.
I love soggy cake.
Love a good moist cake.
Love a good moist. This is like better than six.
Yeah, it is. I'm chopping up the Snickers right now.
Oh shit. That's a runny caramel. Is it ready? Pour half of the caramel topping over the top of the cake. In the little holes.
Holes.
I think I could have done more pokes.
Well, remember it's 2 layers.
2 layers. Use a spatula to spread it around so it gets in all the holes. In a bowl, mix a thawed whipped topping with the remaining caramel.
So we need
can't
one
do
more
that.
half. We need one more cup. For later.
Can I use that?
Sure. Wait, don't use that.
Why?
You gotta use. Oh, okay. Go ahead. I forgot you were mixing it with caramel. Guys, we need to recycle.
That wasn't me.
Well, I find cans in here every day. It's got caramel in the recipe.
That's fine.
Oh, you licked my finger. That's not okay anymore.
It's not okay to lick your finger.
That was 20 seconds.
Yeah. I counted. Ew, wet.
Did you get you?
You got me, not me get me.
Ew! You clown.
Don't touch people when you're in porn.
When you're done,
Oh my god.
put a little bit of that on this.
Just a little?
Yeah.
Okay.
So a quick layer.
It's going in the holes. That's what she said.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Jade! No time for this, Jade. Ah.
That's good.
Is it? Second layer.
Complete.
I just want to lick my fingers.
Can't.
Do it up there and spread that. That was like quite a few. Okay, you did a lot.
I stabbed her.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna do like a little because I want to pour it on the top.
Okay. What?
I got it.
What have you done?
Look, it's going right in that hole.
Look at that. After you spill it all over the tray.
Whoops.
Tray.
I gotta save some caramel.
Did you even?
Yeah, put it in there.
Alright.
Okay, now cover it with your topping.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
I think you should do that.
Okay, I will.
It's gonna go in the holes.
Yeah. Want me to
Well,
do?
you want me to do it there.
Oh my gosh.
You don't want to get the crumbs on this pretty white layer, so you don't have to push too hard.
Beautiful. Drizzle with chocolate syrup and extra caramel sauce.
That's what I saved it. I dropped a bunch.
How much? You can put the rest.
No.
Why?
Okay, go ahead.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. It's covered.
But it has a caramel in it.
You can eat it with a spoon.
Ooh. I'm so
So are
full.
you done? Now, top with chopped
Big boys.
What do you call them? Snickers.
What about on the sides?
Sometimes it's best to just simplify and do the top only.
Just simplify.
No coughing.
My other hand's covered in caramel.
Now this.
Mm-hmm. Don't mess it up. Good job.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah. Yeah. Get it all over. That is a beautiful cake.
Beautiful dreamer, wake unto thee.
This spot needs some. Yeah. Here is the finished product. So we took a very easy box cake and with 3 extra ingredients made it very gourmet.
Sexy.
Sexy Snickers cake. See what the inside of that bad boy looks like. Oh yeah. That's a good. Oh, I hate when people put it on the side.
It flipped.
It's a good. On the side.
Just let it die. Caramel drip.
Caramel drip dip.
That's a good looking cake.
Here you go, babe.
Take a bite. Oh my. It's very moist.
Mmm.
What if he was just like, it's awful?